Hi, and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini, and today I brought you to Pietrasanta on the Tuscan hills of Versilia, an outstanding location with a charming atmosphere and a marvelous view. Today's property is an elegant historical villa, and it is believed to be one of the oldest properties of this area, approximately dating back to the 1780s. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa is uniquely positioned on an even plateau of about 5,000 square meters, overlooking the ancient town of Pietrasanta. It is situated 10 kilometers away from the sea and beach resorts in Forte dei Marmi, Viareggio, and Marina di Pietrasanta. The property has two electronic gates made of forged iron. In 2009, a second gate was added to the property to allow direct access to the main villa. The driveway continues to a turning circle with a central marble antique fountain. Then it keeps going on the left and it arrives to an open car park with approximately 6 parking spots. La villa è circondata da un giardino curato a mano ed è racchiusa all'interno di un bosco circondato da un muro antico costruito totalmente a mano. Right next to the villa, surrounded by this stone-paved sunbathing area, is this impressive 17 by 5 meters swimming pool, overlooking the Versilia coastline and the sea. The pool area is very generous in size and easily accommodates an ample gazebo for pleasant poolside breakfasts and dinners. La parte frontale della villa si apre su un panorama mozzafiato che abbraccia in un solo sguardo l'intero arcipelago toscano. La Corsica all'orizzonte e tutta la costa, da Livorno fino alla Liguria. The property consists of the main villa, which was meticulously restored by the owners in the year 2009. Then there is a detached house right behind me, which is a typical Tuscan country house used as a dependance. It is ideal for guests, relatives, as well as events. The manorial villa is 815 square meters, laid on 4 floors with a total of 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. It's being thoughtfully restored and reconstructed, and as we walk around, it's easy to notice so many incredible features, like the original terracotta floor, the impressive frescoes on the walls, and the marble staircases. We are now on the first floor of the villa. Here is where we find the entrance room connected to this reception area, which is then connected to 2 doors. On my right to a studio and on my left to a bedroom. Both of these rooms have their own ensuite bathroom. On the ground floor is where we can find most of the living spaces. This marble paved corridor passes through the villa from one side to the other, and it connects most of the rooms. Starting from the kitchen with a Tuscan atmosphere, it is very spacious and fitted with several facilities. Moving on to the other side of the corridor, we find this ample living space, divided into two dining areas, separated by these beautiful arches, and they have an access to the front facade of the villa. Then, in the end of this living space, we find this really cozy living room. Let's now take the elevator and go to the second floor. Walking out of the elevator, we get to the floor mostly dedicated to bedrooms. They are 4 and they are stunning. Let me show you a few. This is the entrance of the master bedroom. This room is nearly fully dedicated to wardrobes and a little living area. Through this door, we get to the actual bedroom. Have a look at this room. It is very interesting with this mix between the rustic, typical Tuscan terracotta floor and the very elegant and refined details on the ceiling. Over there we find the bathroom, which is gorgeous, completely covered with marble. From the master bedroom, we get to this other side of the floor dedicated to 2 beautiful bedrooms, ideal for kids. From the entrance, we are inside a walk-in wardrobe that gets to this beautiful bathroom in the middle. Let me now show you the bedrooms. Siamo ora arrivati alla fine del tour di oggi. Abbiamo visitato insieme una villa meravigliosa in una posizione mozzafiato. Spero vi sia piaciuta quanto è piaciuta a me e ci vediamo la prossima volta. Ciao!